Here we are at girls camp. Me.
Recording?
Yep. And my girls. And me. At girls camp. And we already had songs.
Yeah.
So, do the song face. Sam, do the song face. But it's pretty here. Let's see if we can get it to. Oh, look at that. And this is our cabin. In the bunk beds. Oh, we're roughing it. So, here we go. Me, you, and Katie.
Your clothes are beautiful, and so are you.
Come on, Katie, let's go. We don't have time for her.
Well, I have time for her. Do you want to come over after school today?
Oh my gosh! Are you not me? Really? Yeah. I'd love to! Mom!
Oh, yeah. Getting it now. Oh, she's dizzy. You dizzy? Uh-oh. You dizzy? Alright, get it. She'll sit there. Get it. Oh. Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh. Look at this deer. Hold on, I'm gonna get it, see if I can record this deer. Look at that. Hi, deer. Can you see? Let's see. It's just, oh, look at that. It's just right here by.
Does this mean you
Down to the final two. Down to the final two. Ultimate spoons. The spoon is down here. The spoon. Ultimate spoon. Here it goes. Ultimate spoons! Here it is. Down to the final two. The spoon is far away. Let's check it out. I know, Aubrey. I got my sights on Aubrey. She's pretty quick.
The winning hand.
What? Who won? Make it look so. I got all the way down to 3. Did I get to the last third? The 3. Down to 3. Yes. I got down to 3. I couldn't record because I got down the final 3. Dang it. Right, this is the Hunger Games. Everybody's here. The Hunger Games. And they have to, when they say go, they have to run, grab a bag. What are y'all doing with the bags? Oh, they don't know. Let's see where Sam is. Sam, there's Katie. What's the saying? May
the odds be
ever. May the odds be ever in your favor.
No, thank you. Yes. Again.
May the odds be in your favor. Alright, I'm in the ring. I'm gonna get in trouble.
You're gonna blow up.
Alright, Sam. I'm ready.
Okay, so you are going to give the signal. You'll know the signal. Trust us. When we
Give the signal.
You are going to run for your supply bag. And after you get your supply bag, run back out of the arena. You can bring your,
Get your bag and run out.
over to the garbage bag that we have.
Alright.
All right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Oh, watch out!
Why are these other people not gonna like to see the monster?
Did you see the water balloons? All right, Sam. Oh, watch. Oh, hedge out. They are not so good at the launching. Oh, watch out. Right in the head. Uh-oh.
Let's go.
It is the Hunger Games.
It's like I'm safe over here.
Yeah, I do. Oh,
Never mind.
maybe not. I thought I was safe.
I know. They're aiming.
And one girl got kaplunked. Good thing I moved. So now they're running around with stickers that each one has their own color of sticker, each group, and they have to run and put it on people to see who is, to see who gets the most of their colors on. Oh, check out that. Someone's really getting her. The Hunger Games. Oh. We just realized we're standing in an ant pile. Oh my gosh. And they're getting sprayed while they're in there. Oh, she's hiding. Sam's hiding.
No, there's these people underneath all over her.
Let's see. Katie's hiding. Katie's hiding behind that thing. Let's see where Sam is.
You're all cheater.
Let's do it. Oh. I got. Somebody just put a stick on me. I'm only coming to record and record the girls having fun, and I just got. Can you see me?